See how online counseling work. It works through different foundation. These foundations provide counseling to those people who cannot afford it. See, free
It's
counseling
free of
doesn't mean it's not valued, but it is for those people who are not able to connect to people, don't understand who to connect to, and they don't want a direct link. So these foundation help those people connect to counselors like me. So that's why I work for different foundations and they provide people who really want to connect. And that's what SAD is doing right now. We provide seminars, we provide free counseling, we provide Insta Live, Insta Chat, whatever is required on based of mental health, we provide that.
Should I start with it? Yeah. So, being a part of this foundation, we have few questions for you, ma'am.
Yeah.
So, can I start with them?
Yeah.
Tell us about yourself and what you do. We would like to know more about you.
So I'm Asta Kamra. I'm a MA clinical psychologist. So I have done all the certification courses. Like I have done CBT, I have done child psychology diploma, I have done NLP masters and Gestalt masters, and I am regularly upgrading myself with all the skills and knowledges. So I in every 6 months or so I do a course which upskills my own skill. And currently as a counselor, I'm counseling people from different backgrounds all over the India. You can say some have connected me out states also, and people do connect through social media, different foundation. As I said, I am associated with different foundations, so they connect me through those foundations, and some come directly from my own personal social media or personal connections and anything like that. I do seminars for different people. I do Insta Live for them. Basically, I do everything that is based on mental health. Then you got paused. Yeah, it's okay. So I do everything that is related to mental health. I still do, and I like to help people who really want to uplift themselves and uplift the society, because I believe in upgrading everything.
You
Myself
bring
also,
up
and yeah, I believe in upgrading people. I believe in upgrading my own self. I read a lot. I talk to people a lot. And I was teaching psychology too, and I am. Yeah, I was teaching psychology for 11th, 12th, and graduation students. So whosoever comes with whatever work, I take up that work and I do. And I really like working in the field of psychology in any way that is possible.
Okay, so the next question is why choosing counseling as a career? Is any story behind it, or
Yeah, actually, there are many stories I think that did connected to psychology, but the major story was that I did went to a operation at the age of 12, and that operation was not easy for me. I got into an accident and then I went into surgery, and then it was really hard for me to get out of it. And when you feel helpless, even though there are people helping you, your family is there for you, they are supported, but when you feel helpless of not being able to move without anyone's help, that really did affect a person. I was very small, I think 12 years old, when I did went into first surgery. Then I went into surgery again around when I was 21, 22. Two surgeries again I went through because of that accident, and every process was different. When I was a child, there was more than the pain, the suffering of the surrounding, the community, how it changed, how the thinking of people change, how when they see you, when they look at you, they ask you questions, and that change. And when I went into surgery again, and the process was very long, I was on bed rest for like 3 to 4 months. Couldn't go anywhere, couldn't talk to anywhere. Crowded places में नहीं जा सकते थे. कॉलेज जाना डिफिकल्ट हो गया था उस टाइम पे. My friends used to come and pick me up from my house and drop me. And It was I was grateful for them too at that time, but not able to do anything and just sit. Even going to the washroom, yeah, going to the washroom, undressing your own self, dressing yourself is very difficult. So that time, that physical injury ka se zyada jo how you say that, mental stress bhi nahi, but it's like ki when you are not able to control a simple task of daily routine, not able to eat on your own, not able to walk on your own, ऐसे कई situations जब आती हैं, then the mental health gets really worsen. But all psychology started after the first operation, but it was an instinct. I never heard of psychology, career counseling से मैं सुना मैंने first time. And it fascinated me कि what it is about human behavior and nature that we study. Never heard of it before. No one ever talked about it. My whole family is from, you know, commerce background, and they are all into financials and everything, and never heard about psychology kya hota hai. And it too also, it's not typical science. You can do it from arts also. So that happened. Somehow I didn't took it in 11th 12th. That time you don't have that कि आप कोई भी subject के साथ कोई भी subject choose कर सकते हो, for that you have to take a specific area. That was not possible. So that time I left it, but in like graduation I forced everyone to let me do psychology, like everyone. Yeah, I really want to do it and let me do it. This is the field I really want to go. And that's the beginning of my journey of psychology. First I couldn't understand anything, like what is going on, how does it affect me. Then when I started practically practicing it through different jobs and internship that I did, that really helped, and that gained the experience to do a personal session today alone. When you do supervised sessions with the counselors and you start doing alone, that's a big difference.
Yeah, we can see that now you are in a best and a you know in a best and very nice place. You are in a
Thank you, Afreen. That is what everyone gets to when they get into a career.
so the next one is what is your goal? I mean, what you want to achieve in your life?
See, I go by 5-year goals, and currently one of my goal is to do PhD. I'm working towards it. Let's see how that turns out. I want to grow in this field again, and not just by providing counseling. I want to start with my own training, start with my own internships, and once I'm totally qualified for everything and the proper associations and credibility jab develop ho jati hai, after that I want to do all those things. Maybe soon this year you will hear from me about internships and training programs, and then everyone can get into the programs and we can start, and that can be a regular occurrence. As once we just have to have a wait for the first go, एंड देन वो रिपीटेडली बन जाता है एक पैटर्न कि हम हर साल कितनी बार करेंगे.
जल्दी सुनने में.
Thank you.
Okay, as a counselor, if such things happen in your personal life, like if you are counseling someone and the same situation happens with you, how will you deal with it and what you will tell to the patient? How to
So
deal with
see,
that?
when I get into a counseling session, no, so I leave my personal life aside. You shouldn't, and this is one of the rule of the counseling. You shouldn't relate to those incidences. You can always reflect, but you shouldn't react. So for example, I got cheated on with my boyfriend. I'm giving an example, and the person is telling me the same thing, that he got cheated on, like he cheated on her. Any kind of circumstances, I shouldn't and I wouldn't ever relate that person, and the with because that comes to judgment,
Yeah,
कि
yeah.
अच्छा तू द सामने वाला पर्सन भी वैसा ही है, और ये द सामने वाला पर्सन भी वही गो थ्रू कर रहा है, देन एम्पैथी से ज्यादा इट्स मोर अबाउट कनेक्शन एंड बिल्डिंग द कनेक्शन, दैट पर्सनल लाइफ आ जाती है बाहर. दैट इज नॉट ओके. देन यू विल आल्सो सफर एंड द क्लाइंट विल आल्सो सफर. पेशेंट्स के साथ कनेक्शन सिर्फ एक प्रोफेशनल रिलेशनशिप का होना चाहिए, दैट इज ट्रू, बट आउटसाइड प्राइवेट लाइफ का नहीं. So I don't ask the client to get into too many details about what they don't want to tell me. If they want to share with me, they can share. But if they don't want to share, I don't force them to share. वो कल आएंगे, परसों आएंगे, they will share when they want to. क्योंकि आज उनको सही नहीं लग रहा और जबरदस्ती निकालने में गलत हो जाता है.
जब वो
Closure,
दे तब
yeah, whenever they are comfortable. I do tell my clients कि whenever you're comfortable, you can drop me a message. We can schedule a session that, you know, around that time and whatever time suits both of us, and then you can always proceed with what you want to share.
So, ma'am, you really did it very well, questioning all the answers very well. Thank you
Thank you,
for being.
Afreen.
Really appreciate your presence and everything. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Afreen. It's really pleasure to meet you.
Same here, ma'am.